I'm JD Durkin reporting from the New York Stock Exchange. The first quarter of the year for investors is officially behind us, and many of the same names that brought the market to all-time highs last year are keeping up the momentum this year. With such a big focus on artificial intelligence and the semiconductors that power it, a handful of key tech names, dubbed the Magnificent Seven, have done much of the heavy lifting. So far in 2024, the S&P 500 is already up 9%. But it's worth taking a look at how these household names specifically did in the first quarter, starting with Amazon. Fueled by optimism over its cloud and ad services, the e-commerce giant is up 19% since the start of the year. Amazon is a key consumer discretionary name, and despite its gains, it's not even the strongest of the bunch. That title goes to, of course, NVIDIA. And believe it or not, the stock for the semiconductor behemoth is up over 80% in 2024. It is, simply put, one of the most remarkable stories in this ongoing bull market, making NVIDIA now the third most weighted name in the entire S&P 500. And of course, we can't forget Meta, whose shares are up over 40% year to date. The company's numbers in February were particularly optimistic after reporting huge quarterly earnings growth. Meta now has the seventh highest market cap in the world. And the company that boasts the largest market cap, as well as the highest weight in the S&P, well, it's not doing too poorly either. Shares of Microsoft were up 13% in the first quarter of the year and are up more than 50% in the last 52 weeks. Right in the middle of the pack is Google parent company Alphabet, whose stock is up more than 8% this year. It was able to hold on to gains in the first quarter despite reporting disappointing ad revenue. But not all Magnificent Seven stocks are having the strongest start to this year. Apple has run into challenges with concerns over demand for the iPhone 15 and Apple Vision Pro. That stock significantly underperformed the broader market. Then there's the biggest laggard of the bunch, Elon Musk's Tesla. It's a stock that has always been prone to swings and volatility, and 2024 is no different, down over 20%. The EV car maker has been unable to shake downtrodden earnings estimates, though it is still the 12th largest company in the world by market cap. Due to the strength of a few key names, the Magnificent Seven is, for the most part, as magnificent as ever, helping to bring the stock market to new all-time highs. That'll do it for your daily briefing from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm JD Durkin with TheStreet.